Today we are making Beach Glass Aroma Crystals. Pour these scented salts into a small bowl and let the summertime scent spread. Stir once a week to revitalize the fragrance. Before we get started, you may want to pause the video here and print the written recipe and ingredient list from the website, wholesalesupplisplus.com. Creating this product takes 5 simple steps: prep, base, additives, package, label. Now let's get started. Prepare for the project. Gather the ingredients and equipment. Create a safe workspace that is clean and secluded from children and pets. We recommend wearing protective clothing such as long sleeves, an apron, goggles, gloves, a mask, and a hairnet. Begin with the base. Add 5 pounds of medium-sized bathwater crystals into a large glass bowl. Next, incorporate the additives. Add 1 1/2 ounces of cobalt beach glass fragrance oil and mix well. Follow with 4 teaspoons of Caribbean blue glitter and mix until the glitter is evenly distributed. Spread the aroma crystals across 3 jelly roll pans and allow to dry overnight. The product is ready for packaging. Fill each zip pouch with 16 ounces of aroma crystals. Once all bags are filled, zip close the bags and then seal the bags with a hair straightener or iron. Labels add a nice finishing touch and keep your product compliant with the Federal Trade Commission and Consumer Product Safety Commission. The label should include the product name, net contents, warnings, directions for use, ingredients in descending order of predominance, company name, and contact information. Share your Beach Glass Aroma Crystals with others. Customers will love the aromatic notes of salty sea mist, summer melon, and sun-bleached driftwood, making them feel they have escaped to a coastal retreat. Add these aroma crystals to your summer product line. Brought to you by Wholesale Supplies Plus, your one-stop shopping destination for quality cosmetic and soap-making materials. For more information or to purchase online, visit wholesalesupplisplus.com.